In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at the outline algorithm. We'll see how to make use of elements like section, aside, article, header, footer to structure our content. Understanding the algorithm that HTML5 uses to outline documents can add clarity to how documents are rendered. HTML5 contains many algorithms that instructs user agents on how to handle the HTML. Some algorithms deal with parsing codes, error handling, how to handle badly formed code, and how to handle form submit. The outline algorithm that we'll be covering details how sectioning content should be parsed to build outline of the document. For instance, consider your page as table of contents like chapter, which are individual items, and inside that we have sections and then articles. Section and heading content is used to define the outline. Body is established as the outline root, and items are added to the outline as sectioning content is found. Initial heading content is used to name sections. Sectioning content contained within sections is nested in the outline. We have following sectioning elements in HTML5. They are article, aside, section, nav, and then the header tags h1 to h6. Now all these generate a new section in the document. Now in order to understand this outline algorithm, let's take some examples. The initial heading over here that you see that is inside a section is used to title that particular section. After that, each heading creates a new heading. The nesting of heading generates sections, and it's controlled by the heading rank, that is h1 to h6. Now over here you can see when we are making use of the heading tag over here and then the h1, if I show you the document that gets generated, this is how the current document is rendered. The top one, you can see the heading tag that is coming up, the h1 over here is much bolder, and that's what is shown as the header of this particular page. Now in the section that we see, there we have the h1 tag which says chapter 1. You can see how less bold it is compared to the h1 tag that was mentioned inside the heading tag. So this becomes the title of the section, and then we have the article. Now article again has h1 tag. You can notice how the boldness of HTML algorithm's text has been further reduced down. So you are actually seeing this as the topmost element and then this as child of this, and inside that we have HTML algorithms and outline algorithms as two subsections. So this is article and then another article. Now the paragraph tag, as you can see, it's not bold at all. It's a general text that we see, and that's how the outline algorithm is rendered. Let me show you. If I add few more heading tags inside this article, what will happen? Now, the ranking of heading tag decides whether they are child or parent node. If I say heading with a greater or equal ranking creates a new section. So here if you see, we have two h2 tags, outline and heading tag. And if I show you on this page, the outline and heading tag are exactly in the same boldness. The h3 tag that we see is lower in ranking actually, and this creates a nested section. So you can see compared to outline and heading tag how this algorithm text is coming up. It's less bold, and that's how it's represented as a nested section. And there we have the source code for this particular page. So that was outline algorithm in HTML5.